Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Honda Shadow 750 Aero. Beautiful condition, only 6,000 miles on this gorgeous metallic red debadged Honda Aero 750 V-twin fuel injection, liquid cooled. It's got the floorboards. It's also shaft drive. Super low seat heights, like 26 inches. Come on by, make your middleweight V-twin dreams come true for just $44.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Don't miss out on this gorgeous Shadow for just $44.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.